Good morning everyone. So today we're at a Nissan Note 1.5 DCI, and this is a 2014 model. So the customer's complaint is when they try to crank it over, they get a funny noise. I'll let you hear it. There's the funny noise. I'll let you hear it from outside. So the starter motor is not engaging. Indeed, the starter motor is kaput. So this is a 1.5 DCI engine from Renault, and the starter motor is down the front there. But boy, is this tight. So I don't know whether it goes down the way, or I think more than likely it comes back up the way. But a bit of a nasty job, so we're going to get stuck in. I'll give you the salient points as we go along. Now, there's a lot of warnings with this starter motor. There's a whole screed there, you can read them at your own leisure. But here's the motor here. I think it's held in 2 bolts, 2 or 4 bolts, no sure. And there we go. Ain't the cheapest starter motor, this one anyway. So first things first, disconnect the negative cable of the battery, done that. I then took the coolant bottle and we disconnected the hose there, so there's the hose right there, clamped it and put that up out the road. Don't know if I'm doing this the right way, but we'll keep going. And then we'll get into here. You see that little nut down there? We'll take that off and hopefully remove this pipe to give us enough room to get in there. So I got that little nut out down there, and then I've stuck 2 screwdrivers in there to remove this pipe here. See that pipe there? So I don't know how far back it's got to go. I split this, but I'm not sure I had to. And we'll keep plodding on, just try to clear away. I've got one of the bolts out. See that? Got my Milwaukee down there. Let's go right in there. That's a 13mm bolt. Where the shaft goes in there, so that should come out now. I managed to get that pipe out, one man at the bottom, one at the top, and manipulated it up the way so it comes out up like that. So there we go. And then the other thing we done was we've removed the oil filter, and by removing that oil filter you've got a lot more room, so I'll show you underneath. So you can see the oil filter just dripping down there, but it gives you a great deal of access once that oil filter's away, and that pipe. So it's just remove the electrical connections now and get into that's all one being removed, and you can see there's wear in the bushing at the end, and this is all kaput. So it's all back together, the new one's in. It's a bit of a fiddly job, but the key to it is, as we said, the key to it is to remove this pipe fully and to remove the oil filter, which is just right down, the black thing right down there. If you get that out, it gives you bags of room. So there we go. You want to try it, Roddy, see if it starts, my man? Right. Proof of the pudding. Proof of the pudding. Oh, that's nice. Good, we'll call that a fix.